Everyone, today I make a different type of video. You can see it. See here, my mother chop it onion, tomato and chili, and today I make a what you can say 2 minute of Maggie, but I am not making only but 2 minutes. I make a proper way with these ingredients. Let's start. So here you can see oil was heat and I put in there like what we call, I don't know in English, and now I added onion. Most of the people who like to cooking, they also like to chopping, but you know what I like cooking but I don't like chopping. It's all the things cut off, you can say chop my mother, and you can see how she chop it, like it's very small cuts, and you can say very good way she chop the onion and maybe chili also. You can see I around 2 minutes just cook it onion, and now I will add a tomato. My mother chopped in 2 tomatoes. Actually, in this ingredient I like much tomatoes, and it become a flavor very yummy. That's why I add in more. If you don't want to add more, you can skip this. And now I mix up. Then after that, uh, during this I add in what the some ingredients of the, you can see salt and in English turmeric, but in Hindi we can say haldi and Maggi masala, and just 2 spoon, half an spoon I add in garam masala. Why I am doing all the things in right now? Because right now it's salt to the tomato will good way boil, we can say, and it's a good way complete that. And now you can see the color will change, and after now I am mixing up all the things, and now I just cover up that, and I just wait it for 2 minutes, and you can see the flavor, it's very medium, not high. And you also see here what I do this, I just मैंने इन हिंदी भी कैसे मैंने सारे मैगीज़ को क्या किया है, बहुत ही बारीकी से तोड़ लिया है. अब आप ये सोचेंगे मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया है. वो मैंने इसलिए किया है ताकि इन through this my brothers likes most. You know what we do, we like only Maggie, but in here why I am making like this way, because my brothers like to this Maggie for with her you can say paroti with her roti, means it means chapati. That's why I doing like that. And you literally if you try to this recipe, you can see the different and you also like it. So try this. And now I just again do like, yeah, you can see their consistency, wow, great. And now I just cover up for 2 minutes. Then so friend, you can see it's mix up very good way all the onion, potato and chili and masalas and salt. And now I will add it that Maggie. You see I don't boil it Maggie, I just add it, mix up, just a second, and then I also added water and just cook for, you can for a 5 and maybe for a 10 minutes of medium flame. Then after that you can see its consistency and its color, it's very delicious. So let's do it. I just boil it half an hour water, and I just add it according to, it's all optional. If you want to more thick, you can add little bit water, and if you want to more like if you want to or water also, so you can add more water. So it's all optional for you. So let's see prepare how it's, wow, you can see what a consistency of the Maggie, and it's completed make it. So I just off the gas, and literally it smell gorgeous. Literally, you know why I'm making like this? If it's a summer season, that's why I'm making like. If it's not winter, so I will add it more vegetables, which is very good for the health. So mostly I make like this because why I make like this, because my brothers like it with a chapati. So that's why I make like, and you know 2 minutes Maggie are actually it's completed only 2 minutes. But why I doing like this? Because they want to eat with a chapati. And if you sometimes don't want to add any in a dinner, in a lunch, maybe actually I most of the times added these things on a dinner. So if you don't want to make any vegetable anything, so you just try to this recipe for your childrens, and it will make they can eat it chapati with this, and they can enjoy it. So that's all about my video. How you like, how what you learn these three, and what's amazing thing you like in this duration, please share in comment box. And thank you for watching.